If you're looking for a quick way to organize campaigns with labels or tags, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily categorize and manage your campaigns so you can stay organized and efficient. This method works for any kind of digital marketing campaign, whether you're running ads or managing emails. Labels or tags are the perfect solution to keep everything in check. The first thing you need to do is understand how labels or tags work. These are simple organizational tools that allow you to assign keywords or categories to your campaigns. When you apply a label, it helps you group similar campaigns together so you can find them easily later. Tags are great for breaking down your campaigns into even more specific categories, making it faster to track and analyze results. Now, let's walk through the actual process. In the software we'll be using today, which you can try with an exclusive free trial in the description below, it's really straightforward. You'll start by creating your first campaign or selecting an existing one. From there, you'll see an option to add labels or tags. This might be in the settings menu or right on the main dashboard, depending on the software. For instance, if you're running an ad campaign and you want to categorize it by region, you could create a label like East Coast or West Coast, or even something more specific like Summer Sale 2025. Once you've created your label, just apply it to your campaign. From there, you'll be able to filter your campaigns by those labels later on. It's as simple as that. If you're using tags, think of them as extra layers of information you can apply to campaigns. For example, you could tag a campaign as VIP if it's a special promotion for your top customers, or urgent if it requires immediate attention. The great thing about tags is you can apply multiple to a single campaign, allowing for even more customization and organization. Now I know what you're thinking. How do labels and tags make my life easier? Well, once you've got everything tagged and labeled, searching for a specific campaign becomes so much easier. Instead of scrolling through endless lists, you can filter by tag or label and find exactly what you need in seconds. This helps you stay focused and saves time when you're managing multiple campaigns at once. One of the best parts of this method is that it makes collaboration easier. If you're working with a team, everyone can quickly see which campaigns are related, which are urgent, and which are part of a bigger marketing push. Labels and tags provide clarity and transparency within your team, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Before we finish up, remember that the software we've been using today has this feature built right in, and if you want to follow along, I've provided an exclusive free trial in the description below, just for viewers of my channel. It's a great way to get started without any pressure or commitment. Key takeaway: organizing your campaigns with labels or tags is a simple yet powerful method to stay organized, save time, and improve collaboration. Whether you're using labels to group your campaigns by region or tags to mark specific types of promotions, this system is a game changer for managing your marketing efforts. To recap, we covered how to create and apply labels and tags, how to filter campaigns using these organizational tools, and how they improve team collaboration and efficiency. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below and try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.